In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to your Wix website. If you want your visitors to get in touch, ask questions, request services, or subscribe for updates, adding a form is one of the easiest and most useful things you can do on your site. Wix makes this process very beginner-friendly, and once the form is in place, you can also manage all of your submissions from your dashboard. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. Once you're in the editor, go to the page where you want the form to appear. For most websites, this will usually be the contact page. But you can also place a form on your home page, a landing page, or anywhere else it makes sense for your visitors. Next, look at the left side of the screen and click the Add Elements icon, which appears as a plus sign. This opens the panel where you can insert different features onto your site. From there, select Contact and Forms. Wix will show you a variety of ready-made form templates, including options like a standard contact form, a subscription form, or a feedback form. Choose the one that best fits your goal, then drag it directly onto your page. Once the form is placed, you can start customizing it to match the information you want to collect. Click on the form and select Edit Form. This opens the Form Builder panel, where you can adjust the fields inside the form. You can rename fields to make them clearer, reorder them so the form flows better, or remove any fields you don't need. Just keep in mind that the email field is required, so that one must stay in the form if you need more specific information from visitors. Click Add New Field. This lets you include extra elements such as a phone number field, drop-down menus, or custom text boxes. This is especially helpful if you want to qualify leads, gather detailed requests, or organize responses more efficiently. After your form is live, every submission from your visitors is automatically logged in your Wix dashboard. To view those entries, go to your Wix dashboard. Then navigate to Customers and Leads, and then Forms and Submissions. Find your contact form, click the three dots next to it, and select View Submissions. From there, you can review responses, export your data if needed, and also access analytics to better understand how your form is performing. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.